Hi, and welcome to Make It Mondays. Today we're going to be assembling an Amalfi 6-seater oval dining set. The items that you get in the box are the table, 6 chairs, Parasol Base, and Parasol. The chairs come ready assembled, so all you need to do is take them out the box, and that's it. They're ready to be used. The table comes flat packed. It's important that once you get it open, you locate all the fittings and fixtures. The fittings and fixtures are attached to the side of the box so they don't get lost, but they can easily be missed. What we're going to do is we're going to construct the table on the box. What this does is protects the tabletop during assembly. In order to assemble the table, you're going to need a few pieces of equipment. You're going to need some scissors just to cut the straps, a flat-headed screwdriver, and then either a socket or a spanner. Remove the packaging. Place plates and legs to one side. Cut the table back to reveal the underside of the table. Screw the 4 bolts to the table and tighten them up with a screwdriver. Place a leg onto each bolt, fix in place with a flat washer, lock washer and nut. Ensure that they're only finger tight. Place the 4 plates onto the legs. You'll notice play in each of the leg. This allows movement for getting the plates on properly. It's important to note that the recessed end is placed on top. Screw on the flat washer, lock washer and nut to each leg bolt. Tighten the nuts on each side, then check the core nuts again as slight movement can occur. Cover each nut with the nut caps. You'll need someone to help you turn the table over. The table comes with 2 centre rings, an infill to use when you're not using a parasol, and a ring to protect the tabletop when you do. So, now I've got the table assembled, I'll quickly talk you through how to assemble the parasol. It comes in 2 parts that you simply click together, then you slide it through the table and into the parasol base. Make sure it's aligned correctly and goes down to the bottom before tightening up to make it secure. Assembling the parasol base requires no tools. Simply remove the protective ring, push the bolt fully through the base, place the 2 rings over the bolt, and finally, spin on the centre column. Then, all you have to do is wind it up, remove the cardboard, wind it up some more, and you can enjoy all-around sun protection, especially with the tilt function. For more videos, click the link down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our God of Less YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.